Rear wiper replacement. Yes, you have to take out the whole wiper arm. (2011) Infiniti EX35. We are replacing the rear wiper blade. Now the wiper size that we need is a 14-inch wiper blade with the Roc Loc connection. To start, let's mark the resting position of the wiper blade. The reason we're doing this is so that when we take out the wiper blade, we know the exact position or resting position it is on. So we don't have to guess what is the starting position of the wiper blade. So let's use blue tape to mark the position. There, now we know the starting position or resting position of the wiper arm. Next, let's take out the bottom cover for the wiper arm. Simply put your fingers at the bottom and spread out the cover on the topmost area of the cover and pull it out. This is the locking tabs that holds this cover in place. So we spread it out so we can clear the locking position. Next, this is a 10mm nut. Use a 10mm socket and wrench to take out the nut. So here's your 10mm nut that's holding the wiper arm in place. Now, if you have a wiper remover tool, use it. If not, you're gonna jiggle and wiggle it patiently so that it doesn't break until you take out the wiper arm. So I'm gonna try this for the first time. Let's see if it works. Oh, it did work. Huh. Alright, so it just clicked out and pushed out the base of the wiper arm. Now with the wiper arm out, simply turn your wiper blade outward to take it off, and that is the Roc Loc position that I was mentioning. Right, we'll put this here for now, and let me grab the new wiper blade. So you can see it is the same size and same cross pin. Alright, as you can see, this has tabs at the end. This is the orientation of the blade when we took it out, so I have it the other way around on the new one, so just turn it. Now it is in the same orientation. So let's put in the new wiper blade. To put it in, just slide the cross pin on the Roc Loc position. Put it on top, then slide it in until it locks. There you go. Now, don't forget to take out the wiper cover if you have a wiper cover on the blade. You just slide this out. When you put in your wiper arm, make sure that it's aligned on the resting position of your markings. Then, let's start putting in the nut. Tighten the nut snug. Don't over tighten it because it might break. Then don't forget to put your cover. There, you heard it snap in place. And that is how to replace the rear wiper arm on this 2011 Infiniti EX35. Thank you for watching.